Namaskara, ellargu namaskaralu. This is Ashish Matthew. Welcome to another vlog. Alright, so as per the latest update, multiple states have actually reported Omicron cases like Maharashtra, Rajasthan, Gujarat, Karnataka, Delhi, West Bengal. These are the states where the COVID Omicron variant has been found. The cases are pretty less as of now. It's not, the severity is not very high, but then yeah, you got to be having all the precautionary measures. I'm here to actually make a video for you guys for the flight rules. Okay, the rules which have been maintained by the airport guys, and what are the mandatory things you need to do when you're flying. This is, make a note, this is not by road, not by train, okay, by flying rules. So each and every government has actually come up with their rules. So I'll be starting here with Maharashtra. Let's start. So here are the flying rules for the state of Maharashtra. Okay, so you can see the first statement itself here in the background of detection Omicron variant. It is from South Africa and some other countries as well, and it is declared that it is VOC, that means variant of concern. Now let's directly get into the rules. This is from the 30th November, and the restriction imposed by the Government of India guidelines from the time to time shall act as minimum restriction to impose on all the international and domestic air passengers. Now coming to the next point, the following countries are categorized as high risk countries: South Africa, Botswana and Zimbabwe. Categorization as high risk countries is dynamic because it could change anytime, okay, on evolving Omicron variant, and hence it will be updated required by the government of Maharashtra. Now the following categories of air passengers shall be declared as high risk air passengers: the air passengers who are coming from high risk countries as mentioned above, and air passengers who have visited any of the high risk countries in the past 15 days. The next page says that the following restrictions shall apply only to the high-risk air passengers in addition to those imposed by the Government of India. Okay, high-risk air passengers may be deplaned on priority, and separate counters will be arranged by respective airport management authorities at all international airports of state of Maharashtra, okay, for their screening and verification. Such all high risk air passengers shall have to undergo an RT-PCR test mandatory, okay, immediately on the arrival at the respective international airport, and the test to be carried out on the 7th day. Okay, keep this in mind. If any of the RT-PCR test is found to be positive, then such high risk air passengers shall be shifted to the hospital with the COVID treatment. In the result of RT-PCR test on the 7th day comes negative, will again would have to go through a 7 days of home quarantine. Now DCP immigrants and FRRO, this is okay, from the 15 days shall cross the immigration of arrival and so on. So in case of the domestic, this is what some more very important for us. In case of domestic air travel, passengers will either have to fully be vaccinated or compulsory carry RT-PCR test certificate, okay, showing negative results within 72 hours before boarding. So please keep in mind, it's not required that you need to have an RT-PCR if you're entering Maharashtra, but okay, if you have a 2-shot vaccinated certificate, you can definitely enter without RT-PCR. So guys, that was the flying rules of Maharashtra. So I'll be coming up with the next state in my next video. Thank you so much. This is Ashish Matthew signing off. Jai Karnataka Mate. Jai Hind. Bye-bye.